Hey there, I'm Doris with Epoxy Coat Masters, and I wanted to make a quick video and do a basic walkthrough of our process if you are considering us to redo your garage floor. We are located in East Texas, basically within a 75-mile radius of White House, Texas. We occasionally do projects outside of that radius, and if you think that you might be on the edge, just reach out and we will let you know. Maybe one day we'll have more locations, but for now, this is where we are. So if you call us to do a project for your garage, for example, we'll come out, we'll look at the condition of your concrete, measure the space, and provide you with a customized quote on what it would cost to get your floor done. But generally, I'm going to just walk through what we generally do for garage floors. Okay, so we start out with prep. Prepping the floor is the most important part of this project because it gets the floor to a condition where it will bond well with the products that we use on it. So part of our preparation is we grind the floors with our commercial grinder, and we will grind the edges. We get to the edges with a hand grinder so that we make sure and get to all the spaces. Once we grind, we use a commercial vacuum and vacuum it up to just further open those pores of the concrete, and also just to make sure any sort of debris or anything that is left on the surface is up before we put on our base coat. Then we also go through and address any cracks or damage that you have in the concrete. And once that is done, we are going to apply our base coat. Now our base coat is a rubberized urethane. Another word you may see is polyurea. So basically this product remains flexible over time. So that means if your concrete shifts in any way, which it will, you're not going to see those cracks, those shifts come through on your garage floor because the rubberized urethane is flexible enough to handle those shifts. Now, if you have, a giant tree that grows up under your garage and creates a huge crack and unlevel, that's a different scenario than a normal shifting that you're going to get with your concrete floor. So with the normal type of shifting, this rubberized urethane, this polyurea, is going to remain flexible and it's going to handle those normal shifts that may occur. So you are not going to see the cracks show through on your new flooring. All right, once we apply the base coat, the next step in the process is to throw the flakes. Now when we do the flakes, you may have seen in different garages, there's different levels of coverage. We do 100% coverage, so that means that we throw the flakes to a level where you're not seeing the base coat. So we usually can do this for the most part with one broadcast. So we will just put down a lot of flakes during that process, and then once that has had time to dry, we'll come back and we'll get rid of the flakes that are loose, that did not adhere with the base coat. And once we've done that, your floor is ready for the top coat. Now, the product that we use for the top coat is called Polyaspartic. Now, Polyaspartic is something that people often associate with epoxy, but this product is actually a superior product to epoxy. It has more UV resistance. It is stronger to, chemical spills, the heat of your tires when you pull into your garage, heavy things that you want to move into your space. The Polyaspartic can handle all of that, and it can handle all of that better than what people traditionally think of as epoxy. So that is a product that we use. It allows us to be able to really stand behind our work because we're confident in the quality of the product and how it will endure all the things that you may need to do inside of your garage. So prep the floors, put down the base coat, then we put down the flakes, and then it's time for the top coat, the Polyaspartic. And then it does dry and cure pretty quickly, but we like to tell you to stay off of it for a couple days, just to feel good that it is fully cured and ready for you to enjoy your garage like normal. So that's just a quick overview of what we would do, and you can dive further into this process on our website. I have written extensively in our blog and on our pages about what we use, what our process is. You can also see pictures, videos, galleries of projects that we've done, and I try to put, pictures from every stage of the project so that you can know what to expect when we do a project for you. So I hope that helped. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Take a look at our website, www.epoxycoatmasters.com. Thanks.